Hey guys, it is me, Callie Kia. I am back with another video. In today's makeup tutorial, I am going to be showing you guys how to conceal dark marks on brown skin to achieve a perfect makeup look. As someone who struggles with dark spots, I know it can be completely demoralizing, especially if you've also dealt with acne. Dealing with acne is hard enough on its own, but then once you get rid of it, you still have the dark spots. I have some great news. First thing is, this tutorial is going to be super easy. I promise you guys, I'm going to make it super easy so that anyone can do it. And number two, your skin will literally look smooth. I mean, look at this. You can see I definitely have some dark marks, but after this tutorial, my skin will look completely flawless. I am really excited. So, with that being said, let's get started. So first thing, we definitely need a primer. I am using Dr. Brand's Luminizer Primer. Now the next product I'm really excited about, I basically went into Sephora a few weeks ago and I was like, I have dark spots everywhere, what do you guys have? And they recommended this. So this is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, but it can be used anywhere on your face. So you want to put this on under your foundation. And this is their medium to deep color. Make sure you guys get a really good concealing brush to go with this. I know you guys can't tell, but it's actually very thick. I like this one, number 57, good brush to use with this. So basically, just cover all your dark spots with this. And blend. Now your face should look a little crazy, but it's okay, because this is not meant to be necessarily blended like a concealer. It is an under eye brightening corrector. Next, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Defining Styler. Now I like using the brow pencil because I think it's the easiest technique. All you're doing is filling in your brow. Lightly outline it, and then just fill it in. And then take the spool. Super simple eyebrows with just one pencil. Next, we are going to do our foundation. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. My color is 350. Now this is one of my favorite foundations because it's really airy, but it also provides really good coverage. I'm going to apply this with a Face Secret face brush. Now they have different sizes of these. I like this size because I think it gets to the creases a little better than the bigger ones. Alright. Just a couple of drops around your face. And then blend. And as you can see, my face already looks 100% better just from having an even complexion. So next is my favorite part. I'm going to conceal and contour. Concealing and contouring does not have to be hard at all. All you need is a few products. So to start, you need a good concealer. I am using Mary Kay's Perfecting Concealer. Now I know that not everybody has access to Mary Kay, but I know NARS has a really good concealer as well. I'll put that in the description down below as well. This is a creamier concealer, so with the creamy concealer, I just like to apply it under my eyes. With the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, I'm going to go in with the Truffle for a contour. So, mid-cheek, jawline, forehead, a line. this is good to start. I am now going in with my beauty blender. I'm spraying it with some moisturizing spray, and I'm gonna blend out my under eye. Next, with the Fenty Beauty contour and concealer brush, I'm going to blend in this contour. Next, to really get rid of these under eye lines and to sharpen my contour a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Perfect Setting Powder by Color FX in Translucent Light. I'm just going to grab some on my brush. Just put a tiny bit. And if you have brown skin, don't be afraid of setting powder. If you just use a little bit, it can go a long way. You don't have to bake your setting powder in order for it to work. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is not necessarily super beginner, but it is really easy to do, and I definitely wanted to show it in this video to show how easy it definitely can be. It is nose contouring. Now, before you get scared, I will make it super easy. First, I'm using the Smashbox contour palette in their dark colors. I'm going to be using their deep contour shade, and then I'm actually using an eyeshadow brush. As you can see, it's a thin, flat brush, so it's really precise. And then you're going to use a larger brush like the one I just used for under my eyes to blend it all together. I promise this is going to be super easy. So with the dark color, get a tiny bit on one side. There's one line, and then what I like to do, since I have a black people nose, do like this, and create like a little button. I have now outlined the contour, and then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. And then I use this bigger brush to fully blend it out. And blend it out until you're happy with how it looks. You can also go in with your powder again and your beauty blender and kind of and that is what I do when I contour my nose. See, it wasn't that bad. Next, we're going to move on to our eyes. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going for this orange color. Amazing. The key here is to just keep blending until it looks good. Okay? Just apply some, blend it out. And then we're going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. And we're going to get this yellow right here. We're just going to apply it to the first half. So as you can see, the makeup is very subtle. I think oranges and yellows are really pretty on brown skin, which is why I chose these colors. And they're really easy to work with because they suit the skin really well. They don't stick out like other colors. Now, if you're really terrible at applying eyelash strips like I am, you can do what I do, which is get your eyelashes done professionally. So that's another option. And then I'm going to finish up my eyes with Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. Apply some mascara. Next up is my favorite step, which is the highlighter. But before we do that, we're just going to apply some finishing spray before we do the highlighter. So I literally always hate that. So for the highlighter, we are going to be applying Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, my favorite color. A little bit on the nose. then put a little bit right here. Some on the chin. And to complete this look, I will be applying the Grand Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. And this is my completed look. As you can see, the results turned out really well and it was super easy to accomplish. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. Or if you have another look you want me to try, let me know as well. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it helps you guys, even if it's just a little bit. If you just got one tip from this video that helps improve your makeup skills. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it, follow me on Instagram, visit my new website, CaliKings.com. Do all of that. And of course, until next time, stay beautiful.